What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $250 per day uploading pictures. And this is absolutely free. Anybody can do it. So if you're interested in that, then you need to watch this entire video. Now, before I get into the exactly step-by-step process on exactly how you can do this, okay, I first just want to ask one thing. If you learn anything from this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. But also, if you have friends or family that you think might want to make $250 or more per day, make sure you share this with them over on Facebook. Alright, so here's what I want to show you. This is called teespring.com. Okay? Now, teespring.com is simply a platform where you go, you design a shirt, okay, you do the design, they go and fulfill it, they print the order for you, and they ship it out. They handle all the customer service. And you just make the little bit of money because it was your design. So, I put a little piece of art, that's this lion, and I typed in feeling frisky. Okay? That's my shirt. Okay? Pretty simple. Now I can make it a little bit, better than that. This is not my design. This is not my my drawing. I don't own this. I'm not going to actually publish this shirt. Okay? Then I'm going to come down here and click sell this. Okay? Let's say I sell 50 of these shirts at $24.95. I'd make $736. Okay? That's estimated. Now, here's the cool part with this, okay? Because you're not limited to 50. You can sell 1,000. You can sell, whatever, okay? And so that's the cool part. And you don't just have to do one design, okay? So I'm going to come click next. You can add different stuff here. Add colors, whatever. I'm going to click next, okay? And so here, you can put in your title. And I'd put it like White Tiger Feeling Frisky or something. Let me just type that in. White Tiger or Lovers Feeling Frisky. Okay, and then put a description here, category. I do 3 days, you can do more, you can do 5, 7. 3 days usually does really well for me. And then White Tigers, or White Tiger Lovers Feeling, that's my URL. That's what I'm going to go and share. Then you go and click launch. I'm not going to do that because I don't own this. Okay, so for the sake of my account, I'm not going to do that. Now, here's the part that most people get hung up on, and this is the step-by-step that I really want to walk you through. Is we are going to use Facebook and particularly their ads manager to run traffic to this design, okay? Because I want to sell as many shirts as possible. So what we do is, number one, we need to create a new Facebook page. And when I say a new Facebook page, I seriously mean a new Facebook page. And this page is only going to be dedicated to people that love tigers, specifically white tigers, okay? So we want to make this page all about white tigers. The name of the page is going to be something white tigers. White tiger lovers with an S, with a Z, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. Okay, don't make this exact same page. This is just an example, but hopefully you'll get it, all right? So we'll go on to Facebook. We'll create a new page called like White Tiger Lovers, okay? Then from there, we will go over to Google, okay? We'll hop over to Google. So here we are. And we will just find an image that, people that love white tigers would like. They'd probably click on it. Something like this. Let's find a little baby one. Okay? Because this works really well. If you find a little baby, and then for your post, or on the image itself, write, would you cuddle with me? Okay? Or, would you love this for Christmas? Little white tiger. How many people you think are going to click on that? Probably a lot, right? So let's say you run that, and again, you're not selling your shirt yet. All you're trying to do is get some engagement on that post. The reason why is Facebook has something that's really cool called retargeting. So once somebody clicks on that, likes it, shares it, comments, that's engagement. Okay? So here's the cool part. Let me show you this. Okay? So once, and you're just running traffic to it. Okay? We're just boosting that post, whatever. Okay? But after that, you can go, okay, and we can get, we can run like, leads, we can do whatever, we can do store visits, traffic. But what we're doing here is we're going to retarget that audience, okay? So let's say we have a custom audience right here. And so this is one, I did it, a while back, okay, for a panda page that I have, okay? So panda page audience, 30 days. Panda audience engaged, 60 days. So if I clicked on that, it would run, it would show the image of, let's say, this guy right here. It would show that image, okay? But it would show the people that clicked on this image that said, would you cuddle with me? It's going to show them my ad, which is going to be to this page, to this shirt, okay? That's the cool part, is Facebook allows us to retarget people that saw something once, because if they saw it once and they liked it, chances are they would like it again. They would potentially buy it. Now here's a tip for you guys, okay? Because I understand Facebook ads might be a little bit scary. You're spending money on something and there's no guarantee you're going to get that money back. But this is the reason why I don't just go and promote that shirt to somebody. And that's what so many Facebook marketers or internet marketers do, is they take an offer and they promote it to somebody without even them really understanding what it is they're going to get, okay? Let me show you some right here, okay? Let's say we'll just come down here, and for detailed targeting, let's type in white tiger. Okay, you think it's there? It's there. How many people is it? 700,000 people. 700,000 people that speak English, okay, just in the US. Brings it down to 680. Do you think somebody that's 65 is going to be wearing a white tiger shirt? Maybe. Somebody that's 18? Maybe. Let's bring it up a little bit. Let's bring it up to like 25 and down to 55. Okay, let's see what there. 460. Okay, so they like white tigers. Okay, maybe they also like. Okay, let's narrow the audience a little bit more. Okay, maybe they also like who are those magicians? Penn and Teller. Penn. Is that his name? Penn and Teller. Maybe it's one. Penn and Teller. Okay, so I have no clue. Maybe people that also like the Discovery Channel. Okay, so it was at 480. Now it's at 72,000. Okay, 72,000 people are going to now see that ad simply because, okay, you targeted that person. Okay, targeted white tigers, and then we narrowed it down even further, and now we're targeting people that like white tigers and also like the Discovery Channel. Okay, so that's what we do for the very first ad. Okay, that's who we target, just to see the image of this guy saying, would you cuddle with me? Can we cuddle? Whatever. Chances are it's going to be women that see it, or that are going to click and like it. It might not be a lot of men, but I don't know. Okay, then after that, all we're going to do is we're going to come up here to our custom audience, okay, and we're going to run our ad. We get rid of all this, okay, we get rid of all our targeting, and we would just target people that engaged with our page, with that post. Okay, it's that simple. Okay, I understand. I say it's that simple. I do it all the time, but I get it. It can be very scary, very, it can be hard for some people. My very first ad, I know it was tough, but if you have questions, ask them in the comment section below. That's what we're here for. Not only myself, there's probably other people here inside the community as well that can help you out. So here's the part that I really like, and let me know if you're interested in this, right? Because I'm telling you, can make $250 per day selling a shirt. Can you really do that? Well, at $24.95, I make about like $14.50 per shirt that I sell if I have no advertising costs. Okay, so after my advertising costs, which is normally right about $4, okay, $4 to get one sale. Okay, and now I know that's scary, but if you're making $15 and it costs you $4, okay, then that's average for me. Okay, so it costs me about $4 to get one sale. Okay, so that means I make about $10 profit. So can you do 25 sales per day? Yes, you can. If you have an advertising budget of about $100, you can get to $250 profit per day, and it's not that hard. It does take some time, does take a little bit of learning, okay, a little bit of knowledge and skill, but you can get there. I'm not saying you're going to make $250 tomorrow. I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is you can start this business, you can get there, and as long as you understand Facebook ads, understand how to run them, understand how to make them, optimize them to the best of your ability to be the most profitable they can be, you will be successful. It does take time, but you can get there. All right. So if you have any questions on how to make $250 per day doing this simple task of uploading pictures to Teespring and then marketing those images and those t-shirt designs over on Facebook, let me know. Ask questions down in the comment section below. Here to help you out any way I can. Like I said, hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Also, share it with your friends and family over on Facebook. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.